SQLite is mostly used for database engine and written in the C programming language. It is free and open source. How to download, install Windows 11 and Windows 10 operating system explain. Browser open, search box lo SQLite download, enter key press. SQLite.org download. SQLite download page, first link, mouse left click. SQLite redirectory official web page, complete display. Left side SQLite download page, source code and documentation lo supported OS, binaries for Android, Linux, Mac OS, Windows. Present Windows setup. Windows section lo 3 options display. Last one, third option. SQLite tools win x64 zip tools, file size 6.12 MB. A bundle. Command line in shell. SQLite exe. SQLite 3 analyzer.exe. Fourth one, SQLite 3 rsync.exe, 64-bit supported. Third link, mouse left click. Download section lo SQLite related zip file downloading process start. Next, setup process. First icon, show folder, click. Download section lo SQLite tools related zip file display, mouse right click. Extract all options select. Select a destination and extract to file. Default path display. First button, extract, click. Downloads folder, re-click. Zip file select. Delete key press. Mouse right click. Rename. Third icon click. Unnecessary script remove. Folder name SQLite. Enter key press. Mouse right click. First icon cut. Click. Left side this PC select. New volume C. Select open. Mouse right click. Paste. Keyboard shortcut key Control V. SQLite folder open. Top section lo address bar. Mouse left click. Mouse right click. Second option copy. Select. Folder minimize. Browser minimize. Windows search box lo edit the system environment variables, enter. First option select. System properties window lo last button environment variable select. Second option system variables section lo path select. Second button edit click. Right side top first button new click. Mouse right click. Paste select. OK click. OK click and OK click. Setup is successful. Checking process. Windows search box CMD type. First option command prompt select. SQLite text command enter. SQLite 3 enter key press. SQLite installation version 3.49.1 and release date 2025, year month second, date 18. Command prompt shell window close. Create new database folder on desktop. Mouse right click. New option select. Sub panel of first one folder select. Delete key press. Rename database, enter. Enter key press. Created folder open. Mouse right click. Open in terminal option select. Newly created database folder display path default. New database file record, enter. SQLite 3 space record name Charitech DB, enter key press. Next command dot database, enter key press. Created newly database record file name Charitech DB. Complete path display Charitech DB RW.